Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day. Here's the weight on the front, approximately around 12 to 13 pounds on the Pnw-65Cs2 component set. We'll do an unboxing with both of these as well. Here's some of the specs on the side of the box. These are ideal for 100 watts RMS, continuous power. They are 3 ohms, so you got to remember that these are 3 ohms compared to 4 ohms, and it shows you the mounting depth, cutout, everything like that. So I'm going to show you inside the box as well. These are the high pass filter crossovers right here. So you got 2 of those, or actually I screwed them up. So you got a high for the tweeter, and then you have a low pass for the mid-range. And these are the tweeters themselves. They are metal. It's an actual metal casing. Very, very, very nice stuff. I will say these are extremely nice tweeters. See how they mount and everything. They do mount like our other tweeters do. So extremely nice quality. Comes with the speaker grills, comes with the mounting plates right here, which are pretty cool. Comes with all these pieces right here for the tweeters to mount from the rear, and then it also comes with screws and everything like that as well. And then underneath that is our mid-ranges. Set that right over here, and underneath that is our massive mid-range. Look at that thing. Good God, that thing is heavy. Look at that, the thing is massive. So excited to see what these things sound like. This will be our first time ever getting to use these speakers, so hopefully we'll get some great positive feedback, because the quality of the way they look, I hope the sound matches it as long as the performance is as good as it looks. It's the actual door itself. And then here's the factory 6x9 that comes in here, and it has 4 bolts here. And then here's your harness right here that you want to unplug. And then once you basically unplug this, that unplugs the speaker. And then we have 4 7s that take this whole piece off. And then our new piece will bolt in just like factory. So we'll use a speaker harness, and then we'll use a piece that we made to do the speaker to bolt it in there. And there's the screws for those. Here is the magnificent speaker for the front, which is not much different than the rear. They are Sony, but better than the factories that are non-Sony. These are the adapters that were custom made versus, you know, how this goes on here. So we'll kind of show you the cheaper ones and then ones that we custom made here. These are the ones that you can pre-buy. They're pretty cheap. I think they're about $40. And then, I mean, they're not bad. They're just flimsy plastic. And then we made these out of 1/2" HDPE. So you can see how thick the difference is between these two. Especially when you're talking about a 5-pound driver, we want it to be something that's gonna hold up really well. So these will work, but on something this extreme at 5 pounds, you want something that's gonna be able to hold up. So 1/2" HDPE, and it's waterproof. It's very, very, very rigid. It'll work really well. I did notice about the way this tweeter comes apart is the tweeter screws into this. So it basically screws into this part here. It's all metal. Every part of this is metal. So that is really, really, really nice that that comes out. And there's multiple ways you can mount this. Like you can mount it into this that they give you. They even give you this to mount into. That's really cool. They give you a lot of ways to mount these. And then this is what it looks like when you mount that in there. A lot of nice stuff, to be honest with you. We got our speaker mounted onto our plate that we made, 1/2" thick. We're still gonna apply dynamite around here. We ran the harness out through this pre-made hole through the factory, just remove this tape, and then we're going to plug it in directly into the factory plug right here. So that way it's all plug and play. We're probably going to tap the red and black wire, run a harness up to here, and then we're gonna put the crossover right here for the tweeter, and then run that into the tweeter right here. it.